Namaste friends, welcome back to Biology Sector. So in this video we talk about another important aspect, that is multiple allelism. Multiple allelism. So before knowing what is multiple allelism, so I would like to tell you what are multiple alleles. Multiple alleles. More than two alternative forms of of a gene called multiple alleles. That phenomenon is called multiple allelism. The presence of more than two alleles in a set in the same locus on the homologous chromosome is called a multiple allelism. So multiple means many, so more than two. So in general case, a gene has two alternative forms. Two alleles are present on the same gene, but here the condition is different. The how many alleles are present? More than two alleles present on the same locus on the homologous chromosome. Next, multiple allelism is an allelic gene interaction. So alleles plays important role so in expressing the character in the offsprings. All alleles present in the same locus on homologous chromosomes. Next, example for multiple allelism. So here I list out important examples. The first one is ABO blood group in humans. ABO blood group in humans. Then RH blood group. Another one is nature of wings in Drosophila melanogaster. Another one is coat color in rabbit. The another example is self sterility in tobacco plant. So in this video, so I take ABO blood group as an example and explain the influence of more than two characters in determining the blood groups. The basic point about ABO blood group is they were found by the person Carl Landsteiner. Carl Landsteiner was the person who found the blood groups. ABO blood group, right? ABO blood group were found by Carl Landsteiner. So he divided the human beings into 4 groups based on the presence of antigens. The first group is A blood group, then second group is B blood group, the third blood group is AB blood group, the fourth blood group is O blood group. So based on the presence of antigens on the red blood cells in the blood, the human beings are divided into 4 types: A, B, AB and O. Then here, who said the thing? 3 alleles are going to influence in the same character. I mean, those 3 alleles determine these 4 types of blood groups in human beings. The person name was Bernstein, right? Bernstein was the person who said that or who discovered that 3 alleles, right? 3 alleles are going to decide the person's blood group, whether A, B, AB or O. Here, so we need to know the possible phenotypes in the ABO blood group. Then how 3 alleles are going to influence the blood group. So let me draw a table first. This is the first column. This is the second column. So in first column, so I wrote the blood group. One is A, second one is B, third one is AB, the last one is O blood group. Then here I wrote genotype of the blood group. So let us write for A there are 2 genotypes are possible. So one is LA or LO. For B also 2 possibilities are there, LB or LO. For AB, so only one possibility, that is LB. Then for O, only one possibility, so LO. The how many different types of genotypes are possible to occur by 3 alleles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types. Here for simplification, for calculating for determining the number of different possibilities of genotypes, there is one formula, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. This is the formula. So here n represents number of alleles on the same gene. Right? So later, a little bit later, we come to that formula. First, we finish this table. Right? Then antigens. So what are the antigens? Also called antigens also called agglutinogens. Antigens or agglutinogens. Right. So in another column, I take antibodies. Antibodies also called agglutinins. So what are the antigens present on the RBC of blood group A? Blood group A. Antigen A is present. Antigen A is present. In blood group B, antigen B is present. In AB, both antigen A and antigen B are present. So in case of O blood group, so antigens are not there, none. Next come to, so antibodies are agglutinins. In case of blood group A, so antibody B is present. In case of B, antibody A is present. In AB, antigens are absent. No antibodies, only antigens are present. So in case of blood group O, both A and B antibodies are present. Here, so even though we have, human beings have three alleles. So what are the three alleles? So one is so LA, another one is LB, another one is LO. So while we were discussing the codominance condition, so what we said is A and B alleles are the dominant over LO. It means LA is equals to LB greater than LO. These two alleles are dominant over that allele, but these two alleles are equally dominant and express their characters independently in the F1 hybrid. That is what we learned under the codominance concept. So even though three alleles of gene present on the same locus and homologous chromosome, so only diploid organism has two alleles. Two of these three alleles only persons should have. So this is the combination. So whether person may have AA alleles or AO alleles. So whether person may have BB alleles or BO allele. So whether person may have AB alleles. So whether person may have both O alleles. So O alleles. So now come to the formula, right? Here already we counted the different types of possible genotypes of ABO blood group are 6. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how to calculate, how to get the same number with the help of so this mathematical expression. So N is equal to number of alleles. The how many alleles are responsible for ABO blood group? 3 alleles, right? 3. Then so N again 3 minus 1. So how much? Right. 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 2. 3 into 2, 6 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Sorry. This is the plus 3 plus 1 4. 4, then 4 3 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, right? 2 6 ja. So how many combinations we found here? 6. The formula is so n into n plus 1 by 2. So n means number of alleles present on the same gene, or number of so alternatives a gene has. In case of ABO blood group, so 3 alleles are present. So in the place of n we took 3. So again 3. So plus 1. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Then multiply this 3 with this 4. Then number will be so 12 divided by 2. 2 1 2 6. Totally the 6 different possible genotypes of ABO blood group are there. So it is the multiple allelism concept. Thank you for watching this video.